Warning. What you are about to hear has never been done before, and you are about to profit from it.
Imagine if there was a way that you could make money, real money, with your social network accounts. Making money through social media has just become as easy as 1, 2, 3. There's a new social network with a patented technology that allows you to earn money from the pictures you post online. People post pictures all the time, but your mind would be blown to learn exactly how many are posted each and every day. Twitter, 140 million. Google Plus, over 200 million. And Facebook alone has a whopping 350 million photos posted every single day. So how many of these pictures put a dime in the pockets of the people who post them? You guessed it, probably none. Until now. Are you a browser or a poster at your social networks? If you're a browser, what if you were able to browse pictures, see an item you like, then click to buy that item at the lowest price? Or are you a poster on your social networks? If so, how would you like to be able to get paid when somebody clicks and makes a purchase from your pictures? This is now reality. For the first time ever, people are able to get the things they want directly from the pictures they see within their social networks. This allows anyone and everyone who uses social media to make money, whether you're 18 or 88. What if you were one of the first to learn of Pinterest or Instagram, and you could have gotten a piece of the revenue generated from all the pictures there? Get the picture? Put in your information, we'll keep it confidential, and we'll show you something you've not seen before that will make your jaw drop. In order for us to get you immediate access to the information and videos on exactly how this amazing new social network can put money in your pocket today, simply provide your name and email in the box. Thank you, and we'll see you on the other side.